Warm greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We all understood that the nature should follow the geometry, right? And in our childhood days, we all know about Vibigir, the colors, right? The rainbow colors, Vibigir. Let me tell you, Vibigir basically violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. This we call it as a Vibigir, right? These are the important tools, right? For the colors. And the same thing needs to be used to study the subject of Vastu. Our planets, okay, our kundalini, okay, whatever we have this, okay, are related with the seven colors. The sun rays, the cosmic energy comes, okay, that is also having the seven rays, which are the primeval formative forces of nature. Their presence, their combinations indicate tangible information. That's the reason we want to secure that kind of energy that it comes. Okay. Even Bible also says the same thing, that the seven colored rainbow is covenant between the God and the earth. It confirms that this rays, the radiation, are every tangible thing. If you go with the Hindu beliefs as well, okay, it is created by the rays, the Brahma, okay, maintained by the rays, the Vishnu, and ultimately destroyed by the Shiva, okay. So this is what it is. We all call these three qualities as omniscience, omnipotent, omnipresence. Whether it's Bible or whether it's in Hindu scriptures or in Indian ancient stuff. However, the visible energy is also a large spectrum of energy. The visible energy is also a large spectrum of energy that includes other familiar electromagnetic energies. What is this visible energy comprised of? Microwaves, radio waves, UV rays, infrared rays, X-rays. These rainbow colors are related to the visible light, forming a part of the spectrum light with the waveform kind of regions. These are the highest light waves having different frequencies, different wavelengths. Okay, wavelengths varying from 400 nm to 700 nm. The sun rises in the east, sets in the west. From morning to evening, the sun rays appear to have difference in their frequency range. Very early in the morning, as they appear light and to be seen as a pearl color with the highest frequency. As the sun rises, thus rises into the golden color and changes to the orange. Later, it becomes the brightness of the color is accompanied with heat. By noon, these rays are very hot, changing the temperature level, a mixture of gases, moisture. During this period, the evaporation of the water starts taking place, and hence we feel discomfort. So, the structure and its relation is there to Vastu. How? We all know that Earth is a huge magnet. We agree with that. In addition, the solar energy is playing a vital, pivotal role on each corner. Different structures on the Earth. We also see different plant leaves have different structures. They produce different types of fruits or the grains. They have a different taste, color, frequencies. On observing this movement of the sunflower, one can understand what energy makes the sunflower to rotate towards the sun's direction. Apart from it, we have Earth's magnetic field, which also plays a big role. The dense magnetic lines are extended to 40,000 miles above the surface of the Earth. They generate from the North Pole and reach South Pole with greater velocity. In fact, many of us may not know that our body is also magnetic in nature. Our blood contains hemoglobin containing iron, cuts the magnetic lines and produces sufficient electric power to our body, similar to the principle of dynamo. This electrical power machine, this this motor controlled center of our brain, what we call hypothalamus, okay, the hypothalamus in our brain helps the brain to function with electric signals to all the limbs of the body, resembling the way how a computer does numerous things which cannot be visualized by a cell phone waves. As we cannot visualize the cell phone waves which were existing, but we know, okay. Nokia, Japan has identified this kind of waves during 1980 and everyone using them now. Some studies were made on the colors, some were done on the planets, some were done on other aspects. Human character relating with the diseases for understanding the provisions gifted by the nature made us to evolve in the Vastu structures a lot. Sorry for that. So also houses, offices, places of worship having different structures and they still have the different energy levels. Based on the structure, location, environment, the fruits of the prosperity are very depending upon the individual frequency levels. Further, the energy relations are based on the longitude and the latitude, linear, with the gravity at that place, and on gravitational position. Seashore, lakes, mountains, rivers, drains, meat processing units, burial grounds also play natural energy influences on the building. Constituted parts, constructed parts due to the aura field. Our ancient sages have paid much attention on the directions with respect to their structures and overall energy levels. These unseen energies have been identified during recent years as a science lived with further advancement. Vastu has evolved a lot and it needs to evolve further. This is Let's. I hope this particular video made a more rational approach towards the Vastu science. Stay tuned. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Bye.